All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 3.6 Talk. I'm back with another video. Right now we about to head out to this car meet and get back at y'all when we on the road. Oh God! Oh God! I got a V6, but shit, my shit get at least 20, but I'm getting fine. And he's still running, he's going. That's nuts. God. You must be rich. You still keep this bitch. Dirty ass V6.
Clean his V6 out, shit. We got some big shit coming up, though. Yay! Y'all, this the Porsche though. Little scat. This is my cheese. That is something good as fuck.
Somebody had to be the cat.
Hell yeah. Oh, they might be Indian, bro. They got motion though.
Oh God, the bitch got one. I'm trying to go where she was.
Literally.
You got the last call. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to the red Mustang, bro. That the one in front of it is. They be driving way quicker. Oh yeah, that scout about to come. Oh yeah. Let that nigga over. Damn, bitch. I need this plate. Oh he came back through the intersection. Damn.
You do something like that.
No, but the rocks was coming up.
Yeah, we in the back. We got to slow us down. Guess we got to float. Guess we floating, man.
Oh, that's a line over there.
Damn, I look you just missed my shit. Damn.
Oh my goodness.
Just real quick. I don't care who's behind. Damn. There's so many cars. There's nothing I can really do.
Nah, you gonna see him going like 90 though. Pushing that bitch.
Come on. Traction mode.
that's gonna end the video here, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.